Hey guys, so today in math, you are going to be copying this notebook page and we are talking all about capacity. So if you remember back, I have this whiteboard from the other day, measurement, we measure length, we measure capacity, and we measure weight. Now, up until today, we had just been dealing with units of measure that deal with length. Now we are adding capacity on. So in your notebooks, capacity's definition, it measures volume or the amount of something that is in a container, how much it can contain. And it's always measured in liquid units. So in your notes, you're going to write that at the top under your title. I divided the rest of my page after that definition straight in half. One side for customary, which remember, that is what the United States uses as their measurement system. And then the metric system, which is what everybody else uses. So divide that in half, and we are going to write some different units of measure for each. So for customary, you have fluid ounce, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. And you'll see in parentheses here, I put all the abbreviations. That's a Q, kind of looks like a 9, but it's a Q. From here on out, every time that you label something, you're going to label it with this at the end. You don't have to write out the full word. And then for metric, we have liter, which is capital L, and milliliter, which is lowercase m, uppercase L. Be careful with that. The L is uppercase, the M is lowercase. So metric, we'll start there because those conversions are pretty easy. You only have to worry about one. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, or 1,000 milliliters are in 1 liter, right? So that's the only thing you need to write on that side of the page. You see mine zoomed out. That's what that looks like. Over here with customary, you have a lot more units of measure to work with. So you may have seen it as the gallon man before, but I like the big G because I think it's easier. So on this side, you're going to write the big G. First thing you need to do is draw a giant letter G. See that on your paper? That represents gallon. Then you're going to draw 4 Q's inside of your gallon. That represents that there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Then within each Q, you're going to write 2 P's. That means that there are 2 pints in every quart. And then there are 8 pints for every gallon. Then, this one's kind of hard to see. In each P or pint, you're going to write 2 C's, and that represents cups. Okay? So there are 2 cups in every pint, 4 cups in every quart. And then if you're trying to figure out how many cups are in a gallon, you're going to look around and say, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 cups in one big G. So 16 cups in a gallon. I use this all the time. I think that this is very, very helpful. And you can use this as a guide to help you with conversions when it comes time to do that. So meaning tomorrow, we're going to do conversions tomorrow. Today, your assignment is to copy this page, this whole page, and then you are going to upload a picture to me on Google Classroom so I can check it. And you're going to ask me any questions that you might have. So look at this. Think about the abbreviations, okay? Try to memorize them best you can. This side's pretty easy. Try to think about the conversions. Imagine the big G in your head. After you've written the notes, think to yourself, how many Q's were in the big G? Oh yeah, 4. How many P's were in each Q? Oh yeah, there was 2. So on and so forth. Try to get this memorized because the faster you have the big G memorized, the easier your conversions will be when it comes time to do those problems. Okay? So I will post a picture of this as well, or if you wanted to just keep watching the video and pausing it as we went, that's fine too. Let me know if you have any questions, and then this notebook page will be used for our work tomorrow. Good luck.